In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can use ESPN Plus on Disney Plus. So let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my pen. Alright, so the first step is to subscribe to the Disney bundle. So subscribe to Disney bundle. So, the Disney bundle combines Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus into a single package. This is the most convenient way to access ESPN content on Disney Plus. Then you have to open the Disney app, open the Disney Plus app. So, locate the Disney Plus app on your device such as smartphone, tablet, TV, or computer. Launch the app and log in with your Disney Plus account credentials. Then we have navigate to the ESPN Plus section. So navigate to the ESPN Plus section. So once logged in, look for the ESPN section within the Disney Plus interface. It might be labeled as ESPN or Sports. Click or tap on this section to access ESPN's content. And then you have Explore ESPN's offering. So Explore ESPN offerings. So the ESPN section will showcase a variety of sports-related content, including live sports events, on-demand replays of past games and matches, original sports documentaries and shows, sports news and analysis, fantasy sport tools and information. And then lastly, you could go ahead and start watching. So select the content you're interested in. If the content requires a subscription, ensure you have the necessary ESPN Plus plan. Click or tap the play button to begin watching. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.